This parent and her son, who reported at Jamhuri High School in Nairobi, were nearly denied admission after they came with a blue mattress instead of the recommended maroon color. It took the intervention of officials from the Ministry of Education who were at the school. Such are some of the ridiculous and costly demands schools have been placing on parents seeking to admit their children.
When we held the first press briefing on Monday, we stated very categorically that no child is to be sent away because of whatever reason. And I personally have also been able to see principals who are reaching out, principals who are reaching out to well-wishers. And this is the spirit of partnership that we want to see. So where those cases are there, we are kindly asking, report to our field officers.
This parent, for instance, had to spend 19,000 shillings on school uniform for her daughter to join Loreto Girls High School, Limuru. And although she bought the full set of school uniform as directed by the school, she had a special appeal to the government.
Just the set of uniform plus maybe sports kits, kuja 19,900. Sasa kama hauna uwezo, unaweza kuwa unataka mtoto aingie ile shule, lakini uniform nao inakuwa ni ghali sana.
It is a similar situation for many parents who are now torn between paying for school uniforms or school fees. At Githiga High School in Kiambu, for instance, Form 1 admissions are complete only after a parent pays a total of 36,000 shillings, out of which 16,000 goes to school uniform. And the demands are never considerate of the status of the parent. For the case of a boy who was about to be sent home by Jamhuri High School administration for not having the right color of the mattress, for instance, he is on full scholarship through Equity Bank's Wings to Fly. It is not clear why the school administration failed to listen and understand their situation, given that everything they had, including the mattress, had been bought through the scholarship. In most schools, parents are largely required to buy 3 trousers, 3 shirts, socks, t-shirts, games kits, blazers and pullovers. And even though most of these items would cost a maximum of 5,000 shillings, schools have been demanding up to 20,000 shillings for uniforms alone. And in many cases, schools ask parents to buy uniforms at certain shops only, raising fears that head teachers could be working in cahoots with business people to fleece overburdened parents.
Kulingana na calling letter, ilitupatia 2 options. Hapa school outfitters ama kuna duka nyingine iko Limuru. Hata vile tumekuja tumejaribu pale school uniform, wakatuambia tukuje hapa. Kama hapa tu ndio wana stock hiyo uniform ya Loreto High School.
In 2014, a special task force chaired by Dr. Kilemi Mwiria recommended the removal of extra levies while at the same time harmonizing the process of acquiring school uniforms. The report particularly highlighted the many struggles families go through in seeking affordable education for their children. In fact, had the recommendations been adopted, school uniforms would cost not more than 5,000 shillings. Shadrack Miti, KTN News.